Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share videos on the latest tech and helpful tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Converting a UAsset file to FBX is a common necessity for game developers and 3D artists who need to transfer assets from Unreal Engine to other 3D software applications like Maya, Blender, or 3ds Max. It's crucial to understand that a UAsset is a proprietary Unreal Engine package file, meaning it's not designed for direct, universal interoperability outside the engine. Therefore, direct drag-and-drop conversion tools for raw UAsset files are typically unreliable or non-existent. The most robust, official, and recommended method involves utilizing the Unreal Engine editor itself to perform the export. Here's how you generally approach it. First, open your Unreal Engine project and navigate to the content browser to locate the specific asset you wish to convert. This could be a static mesh, a skeletal mesh, an animation sequence, or even a level sequence. Once you've found your asset, right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, select Asset Actions and then choose Export. A save dialog will open, prompting you to specify the location and file type for your export. Crucially, here you will select FBX from the Save as Type drop-down menu. You'll then be presented with FBX export options, where you can configure various settings such as export compatibility, whether to include LODs, levels of detail, tangents, vertex colors, and even specific animation settings if you're exporting a skeletal mesh or animation. For skeletal meshes and animations, ensure export LODs and export morph targets are checked if needed, and verify the animation settings like frame rate and range. After configuring these options, click Export. The Unreal Engine will then process the asset and generate an FBX file at your chosen location. While this method is highly effective for geometry and animation, it's vital to note a significant limitation. Materials and textures typically do not transfer perfectly, or sometimes at all, in the FBX export from Unreal Engine. Unreal's material system is node-based and highly specific to its rendering pipeline, meaning you will almost certainly need to recreate or relink your materials and textures manually in your target 3D software. You might also need to adjust scale and units upon import, as Unreal Engine uses centimeters by default. For more complex scene transfers, particularly in architectural visualization or product design, Unreal Engine's Datasmith plugin can be an alternative, allowing you to export entire scenes as .udatasmith files, which can then be imported into certain DCC applications with Datasmith plugins, potentially yielding FBX-like structures, though this is more for scene fidelity than direct UAsset conversion. Be extremely cautious of third-party tools or unofficial scripts claiming to directly convert UAsset files without using the Unreal editor. These can often be unstable, violate EULAs, or even introduce security risks, and rarely provide satisfactory results. Always prioritize the official Unreal Engine export feature for reliability and integrity. After exporting, always verify the imported FBX in your target software for mesh integrity, animation playback, and proper scaling. This built-in export mechanism remains the most reliable and recommended approach for transforming your UAssets into universally compatible FBX files. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more game development tutorials.